William Ruto is a good friend of mine for many years. He keeps his promise. He offered me to be the PS. I refused. I gave Dr. Peter Nyangala. That was my position. He told me about CS. I refused. I'm too big to be a CS. I'm too big to be a PS. You know some things I don't want to say in public. The truth is I'm too senior than a cabinet secretary. You know, a trade unionist, when a serious trade unionist like myself, you can't be a CS. Yes. I cannot be a CS. It's a small job. I cannot be a PS. It's a small job. I cannot be a CS. It's a small job. Mimi ni mtu mkubwa. You don't hear how Atwoli says. Atwoli says he does not want to be a president. That is true. He earns over 30. His income, Atwoli, is 30 million per month. Why do you want to be a president? And you have not gotten that money from politics, so you want to go and protect it. Like Francis Atwoli has nothing to protect. What I have, I've not gotten from politics. I have nothing to protect. For me, I'm comfortable where I am. My status in the trade union movement is above a CS. So anything below a CS I cannot go for. So sisi ni watu ambao tunataka tu honorario. Kama vile niko honorario sahi kwa board ya lab fund. Unaona?